In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Outlook invite without showing recipients. If you need to schedule a meeting in Outlook, but want to keep the attendee list private, this is a simple feature that can help. It's especially useful when you're inviting a larger group and don't want everyone to see who else was included. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can set it up in just a moment. First, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, look for the Calendar section. This is where you create and manage events, meetings, and appointments. Click on Calendar to switch from your inbox view to your schedule view. After that, create a new event. You can do this by clicking the New Event option. This opens the Event Details window, where you'll enter all the information for your meeting or appointment. Take a moment here to make sure you're creating the correct type of event, especially if you plan to invite other people. Now, enter the event name. This should be a clear and recognizable title, so attendees immediately understand what the invite is for. A simple, specific event name works best because it helps avoid confusion when people see it appear on their calendars. Next, add your attendees, along with the meeting time and date. Type in the recipients you want to invite, then choose the correct day and set the start and end time. Be careful to double-check these details before sending, since the date and time are some of the most important parts of any calendar invitation. If needed, you can also review the event details one more time to make sure everything looks correct. Now for the part that hides the recipient list. In the event window, find Response Options. Click on it and then turn on Hide Attendee List. Once this option is enabled, the people receiving the invite will not be able to see the full list of other attendees. This gives your invite a more private and professional setup, while still allowing everyone to receive the meeting request normally. After you've confirmed the event name, attendees, date, time, and the hidden attendee setting, your invite is ready to send. This is a very useful Outlook feature to know, especially when privacy matters or when you want to avoid showing a full distribution of recipients. That's it. You now know how to send an Outlook invite without showing recipients. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.